Every single second, factories around the world transform over 4,000 pounds of peanuts into one of the most beloved spreads on the planet. But before that peanut butter ever touches your toast, it survives a journey involving roasting drums hot enough to blister skin, steel blades spinning fast enough to liquefy solid nuts, and a quality control process so strict that entire batches get destroyed if a single detail is off. This is how peanut butter is really made. It starts long before any factory. On sprawling farms across the southern United States, peanuts grow underground, hidden beneath the soil in a plant that flowers above ground but pushes its pods downward to mature in darkness. Farmers wait until the peanuts reach peak maturity. Then massive diggers roll through the fields, loosening the earth and flipping entire plants upside down so the pods can dry in the sun for several days. Once dried, harvesting machines separate the peanuts from the vines, and the raw peanuts are trucked to buying stations, where they're graded for size, moisture, and quality. But here's where things get really interesting. Not every peanut makes the cut. Inspectors and automated sensors scan for damage, discoloration, or signs of mold, because even a tiny amount of contamination can compromise an entire batch. The approved peanuts are then shipped to processing plants, where they're stored in massive silos under carefully controlled humidity. From there, they enter the shelling stage. Industrial shelling machines crack the outer pods using calibrated pressure rollers, separating the peanut kernels from the papery shells without crushing the nuts inside. The shells don't go to waste either. They're often repurposed as mulch, animal bedding, or even fuel. Now come the kernels, still wearing their thin, reddish-brown skins. This is the step most people never get to see. The peanuts travel along vibrating conveyor belts through optical sorting machines equipped with high-speed cameras. These cameras scan thousands of peanuts per second, instantly identifying and ejecting any nut that's discolored, broken, or contaminated with foreign material. It's an extraordinary blend of engineering and precision most viewers never imagine exists. Once sorted, the peanuts move into the roasting stage, and this is where the transformation really begins. They pass through massive rotating roasting drums, tumbling continuously as hot air circulates around them at carefully controlled temperatures. Roasting isn't just about cooking the peanuts. It's about unlocking flavor. The heat triggers a chemical reaction that develops that deep, nutty aroma and rich taste everyone associates with peanut butter. Get the temperature or timing even slightly wrong, and the entire batch can taste flat or bitter. After roasting, the peanuts are rapidly cooled to stop the cooking process from continuing on residual heat. Then comes a step that surprises a lot of people. The skins, now loosened by roasting, are removed using a process called blanching. Rubber belts and rollers gently rub the peanuts, and powerful air jets blow away the papery skins, leaving behind smooth, golden kernels ready for the next transformation. Workers and automated sorting lines take one more pass here, removing any remaining skins or discolored nuts before the peanuts move toward grinding. And this is where the real magic happens. The roasted peanuts enter industrial grinding mills equipped with rotating steel blades and stone or metal grinding plates. As the peanuts pass through, the intense friction and pressure literally rupture their cell walls, releasing the natural oils trapped inside. Within moments, solid peanuts transform into a smooth, flowing liquid. It's almost hard to believe that something so solid can turn into a creamy paste in seconds. But the natural oil content inside peanuts, some of the highest of any nut, makes it possible. For creamy peanut butter, the mixture passes through a series of finer grinding stages, breaking the paste down until it reaches an incredibly smooth, silky consistency. For crunchy varieties, a portion of coarsely chopped peanuts gets folded back in after the main grinding process, giving that satisfying texture people love. But what happens next might surprise you. Many producers add a small amount of salt and sometimes a touch of sugar or a stabilizer like palm oil to prevent natural oil separation and extend shelf life. Natural peanut butter brands skip these additives entirely, which is why you often see oil pooling at the top of those jars. That's not a flaw. It's simply peanuts behaving exactly as nature intended. The freshly ground peanut butter, still warm from the grinding process, flows through stainless steel pipes into large mixing tanks where it's blended to ensure consistent texture throughout the entire batch. Temperature sensors and viscosity monitors constantly check the mixture because even small inconsistencies can affect how the product pours and settles once packaged. From here, the peanut butter is pumped directly into filling machines. Jars move along automated conveyor lines at incredible speed, each one filled with startling precision to ensure consistent weight and volume. Sealing machines then cap every jar, and label applicators wrap them with branding before they're ever touched by human hands. Quality control teams randomly pull samples throughout the day, testing texture, taste, and consistency to make sure every jar meets strict standards. Metal detectors scan each container before it leaves the line, an essential safety step considering how much processing equipment the product has passed through. Finally, the finished jars are packed into cases, stacked onto pallets, and loaded onto trucks bound for distribution centers across the country and sometimes the world. What started as a humble peanut buried underground has now become a smooth, flavorful spread sitting on store shelves, ready to be spread onto toast, blended into smoothies, or eaten straight from the jar. It's a journey most people never think twice about, yet it involves farming, engineering, chemistry, and precision manufacturing, all working together in perfect harmony. The next time you twist open a jar of peanut butter, you'll know exactly what it took to get there. If you enjoyed going behind the scenes of this incredible process, make sure to like this video, drop a comment letting us know what factory tour you want to see next, and subscribe for more fascinating journeys into the world of manufacturing.